Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use jump leads. First, prioritize safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure both vehicles are turned off and in park or neutral. It's crucial that both batteries are the same voltage, usually 12 volts. Also, keep the cables clear of any moving engine components and fuel lines to prevent accidents. Safety is paramount before proceeding with any connections. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, take the other red clamp and connect it to the positive terminal of the good, working battery. Double-check that both connections are tight and secure to ensure proper current flow and prevent any sparking. Next, we connect the negative cables. Attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the other black clamp, find an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or frame of the dead vehicle, well away from the battery itself. It's very important not to connect this clamp directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. This grounding method helps prevent dangerous sparks near the battery, which can emit flammable hydrogen gas. With all cables connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. Then, try starting the dead vehicle. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes before trying again. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the black from the dead vehicle's ground, then the black from the good battery, followed by the red from the good battery, and finally, the red from the dead battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.